How to download Everest Bank app. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel Create, Login and Delete. Let's get right into the tutorial. In order to download Everest Bank application on your mobile, firstly make sure that you are connected to a proper working internet connection. Now go ahead and open App Store on your device and tap on the search bar and search for Everest Bank. Go ahead and tap on the first option and then tap on the Get button. Enter your Face ID or Apple ID password and the download will begin shortly. Once downloaded, you will see the Open button. Tap on that and launch the application. Go ahead and allow all the required permissions and log into the bank account by entering your username or password, and this is how you can download Everest Bank application on your device. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.